Hi there, welcome. Today's recipe is sweet corn and potato chowder. Okay, first thing what we're gonna do, I've got 2 medium onions in here. We're gonna peel them and we're gonna chop them and put them into this container. Remember, always before you are going to do any recipes, make sure that you prepare all the ingredients, that you have bought all the ingredients before you start. Now we're going to chop the onion The last thing we want is you're doing a recipe and you are running out of an ingredient. So make sure that you have bought everything. I'm going to chop and put it into this container. Then, that's the onion. Then, I've got 2 cloves of garlic. We're gonna peel them. We're gonna slice them and put them with the onion. For the time being, we are doing preparation. Now, we're going to slice the garlic and put it with the onion. Then, I've got 2 medium potatoes. We're going to peel them. Then, we're going to wash them and cut them into cubes. What I love about soups and chowders, so we can prepare a big pot like we are doing, then we can portion it into containers and we can freeze it. So when we are busy, we just take 1 or 2 containers out, defrost them, heat them, and that's us. Now we're gonna wash the potato and then we're going to cut them into cubes. Little bit like that. Then slice and again. Not 2 big cubes. Put it in the container with the onion and garlic. As you can see, the potato is round. Take a little bit from the bottom, then slice, then cut lengthwise, and cut the potato into cubes. Now, I've got 4 sticks of celery. We're gonna wash them under cold running water. Take the bottom off and we're gonna slice them. And put them with the onion, garlic, potato, and now we add the celery. Remember, always under a chopping board, do a wet cloth, so that way the chopping board keeps steady and you work safely. Now, at this stage, we're gonna turn the pot on a high heat, and we're gonna add some oil. So now, by the time the oil is getting hot, we can cut the green peppers. 2 green peppers. We're gonna wash them. Take the sides off. And we're gonna slice them. Now we can slice them and put them with the onion, garlic, potato, celery. Always when you are chopping and cutting, keep your fingers this way, so they will act as a guard to protect your fingers. Practice comes perfect. Now, the oil is hot. We're gonna drop the vegetables into the pot and we're gonna give it a stir. We're gonna leave the vegetables to cook for about 2 to 3 minutes. At this stage, we need to make sure that we've got all the ingredients ready. So, I've got some water, vegetable cubes, milk, some butter beans. If you are using the canned butter beans, make sure you give them a good wash. Some sweet corn and some dried sage. So that we've got all the ingredients ready, we can tidy up. And now, what we're gonna do, we're gonna turn the heat down, put the lid on, and we're gonna let the vegetables to cook for about 2 to 3 minutes. For ingredients, method, and recipes with pictures, please do log on our website, robnjays.com, or like us on our Facebook page, Rob and Jays. You can also follow us on Twitter and Instagram as well. And please do share our work so other families will benefit. Thank you very much for that. So now, what we're going to do, we're going to turn the heat up full. Again, we're going to put the water and the vegetable cubes. Then we're going to give it a good stir. Then we're going to bring it to the boil, and then we're going to turn the heat down, and we're going to let the chowder simmer for about 15 to 20 minutes. Boiling is when the bubbles start coming from the top, and simmering is when the bubbles gently simmer from the top. So now I'm going to let the chowder comes to the boil, and then I turn the heat down to let it simmer for about 15 to 20 minutes. Now, after 20 minutes, what we're going to do, we're going to turn the heat up full. We're going to add the milk, the beans, the sweet corn, and the dried sage. We're going to give it a nice stir. We're going to let it come to the boil, and then we can serve. Now the chowder is boiling. We're going to turn the heat off. We're going to give it a good seasoning, some salt, some pepper, and we can serve. Sweet corn and potato chowder. For more video recipes, please click the bottom right hand corner to subscribe to our YouTube channel to receive more recipe ideas. And thank you very much for watching and have a good day. Bye now. Bye.